In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a template in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to the specific space, folder, list, or task that you want to turn into a template. This is important because ClickUp allows you to save different types of items as templates, so you'll want to begin from the exact place you'd like to reuse later. Taking a moment here to confirm you're in the right location can save time and help make sure your template includes the structure you actually need. Once you're there, click the three-dot menu next to that item. From the menu that appears, select Templates, and then choose Save as Template. This opens the template creation process and lets you turn your current setup into something you can use again whenever needed. A Save as New Template window will appear on your screen. In this window, enter a clear name for your template. For example, you might call it Project Management Template. Try to choose a name that makes the template easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create several templates for different workflows or teams. Next, configure the template settings. You can add a description or tags if needed, which is useful for organization and makes your template easier to find in the future. You'll also be able to choose the sharing settings for the template, depending on who should have access to it. In addition, ClickUp lets you decide which information should be included in the template. This part is worth reviewing carefully so the template contains what you want, without bringing over anything unnecessary. When everything looks right, click Save Template. Your ClickUp template is now created and saved in the Template Center. At this point, the template is ready to be accessed whenever you need it. To open your template later, click your Workspace avatar in the upper left corner of ClickUp and select Templates. This takes you to the Template Center, where your saved template will appear. If you've named it clearly, it should be easy to spot right away. To use the template, select it from the Template Center and click Use Template. Then choose the location where you want to create the new item and apply the template. ClickUp will generate a new version based on the structure you saved, helping you work faster and stay consistent. Thanks for watching.